Hey guys, it's Kaiwan Shaban and today I'm back with another video. Today's video is a tutorial, so good news for many of you guys. And I'm truly excited to make this video because a lot of you guys requested after I posted a before and after on my Instagram. By the way, if you haven't followed my Instagram, you should definitely check it out. The link will be in the description at it's K1. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Kaiwan Shaban. I make videos generally about photography, filmmaking. Alright, so without further, let's get to the chase and I'm gonna show you guys how I transform this picture from this to something like this in Photoshop or Lightroom, or both. This is the final result that we're going to achieve in Lightroom, so let's go ahead, click reset, starting applying one of my presets from Kodafilm. I usually start applying KF2 warm and then I do a little bit of adjustment. By the way, if you're interested to get the preset pack with a discount, the link will be in the description. So after applying the preset, as you can see, I'm doing slight adjustments to kind of bring back all the details that I want, you know, depending on the taste, and finalize the look that I want. And then I'm going to adjustment brush to add some exposure and brightness to the face and smooth the skin by bringing down the clarity. Also, don't forget to check the auto mask for an efficient mask selection. After we're done brushing on her skin, I'm going back to do some slight adjustment to kind of match the exposure and the color together. Then I'm going to scroll down to HSL section. I'm going to take out a little bit of greenish color in the background, plus decreasing the yellow color. After that, I'm going to add some grain, not too much, but also not too less, just right in between. Alright, so now I'm done with Lightroom and I go ahead and export the photo to Photoshop. In Photoshop, I'm going to start off by duplicating my main layer and then clean up the face with Healing Brush Tool. After we're done with removing the spots on her face, I'm going to go ahead and create two more duplicated layers. I'm going to rename one Texture and the other one Low. Now we're going to start on a method called frequency separation. This is the method that I usually do to retouch my skins. And then click on the low layer. I'm going to filter the blur, noise, and then dust and scratch. Dust and scratch is another reference of a blur, but it's better because it's also maintained the texture. So I'm going to go with 12 right now. And then we're going to get back to texture layer and then we're going to image and then apply image. Make sure to click on invert and then change the layer to low and blending go with add. Make sure the scale is 2 and then click on OK. After that, change the normal blend to linear light so the texture layer disappear. And then we're gonna go to Lasso Tool selection. I will select the certain spots on her skin so we can gradually smooth the skin and remove the patch on her face. After that, there's another method that I want to apply, which is dodge and burn. Probably most of you guys already know what is it. So the easiest way and possible for me I do is I create a layer and then shift and backspace, and then I'm going to fill it with 50% gray layer. Click OK and then change the normal blend to overlay. And if you ask me why overlay, I would say we want to disappear the grayness on the layer. After I finished dodge and burning, I applied one of my lights to make the photo more symmetrical. It was a bit hard for me to choose which one will fit, but out of 100 lights there will be a perfect match for this picture, which is overlay 84 in my case. And you can always play around with these lights. You can maybe add more brightness or even change the color to match with the photo and resize it. You can pretty much do anything to make it work with your current photo. And then change the normal blend to screen to remove that black background. And to make it more realistic, I used Gaussian blur to add more blur to the light. So hey guys, this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed the process of making this photo. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you liked it, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit the ring bell so whenever I post, you get a notification. But yeah guys, that's it. And if you want to support my channel, the link will be also in the description to my online store. I think you will find a lot of interesting stuff, preset pack, overlay, you know, generally filmmaking and photography things. The link will be in the description. But yeah, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.